Hello everyone, this is Jagjit Singh. So this video outlines some of the new features as well as some old features of Reports and Dashboard Manager. Before I start, I just want to mention here that if you're looking to explore UI Builder and you are working on some of your custom pages, if you want to know how custom events work, so you may see this workspace as an example. There are some complex components inside this workspace, like viewports are there, custom events are there. There are custom data sources as well that you can see inside this workspace. So yeah. Okay, and so from the previous version, there are some enhancements or bug fixes that I have done in this one. Let's have a look at overall features first, like what it does. So once you install this application from ServiceNow Share, you can click on Workspaces here, and you'll see Dashboards and Reports Manager here. One thing I want you all to take care that this workspace is now logged only for admin users, and there are some rules which are shipped with this application also. Although those roles are also having access to visit this workspace, but I will suggest that only admin users should use this, and those roles should not be assigned to anyone else because all the testing has been done by admin users only, from that person only. So once you click on this one, so this workspace will load. There is a new fresh UI now on this workspace in this release. Some changes in the UI also, and then yeah, there are a couple of bug fixes that I want to mention here. That there was some error earlier. For example, if you share this report from here, let's take some other report like SLA. Yeah, if you share this report again with the customer service support, so it will create duplicate records. So that was the bug there in earlier version. Now it is resolved, so that bug is no longer there. And there was another bug where once you share the dashboard and you choose to share reports as well along with the dashboard, the reports were not being shared with the selected users groups or roles. So that bug is also fixed, and I have made the logging a little bit better. So let's talk about some of the features from the beginning for the users who are watching it the first time, right? Yes. So first of all, manage reports. This is the first tab that you see here. Here in the search bar, you can search any report by the name, right? Or if you want to use some advanced search query, you can search here. Or now, if you want to edit this report, you can click on this button. It will open in a new tab in a core view where you can edit the report. But if you want to share this report from here, you can see existing permissions. You can choose to remove the permission from here. The permission will be removed. You can click here on these radio buttons to see specific permissions, right? And if you want to add a new permission for the reports, you can click on here, and you can choose, for example, let's share with some group here. Yeah. And let's add some users also, maybe able tutor, right? Okay, able tutor is not here. Let's find some other user. Let's choose this one. So I can, select as many records as I want here, roles, group, or users, and just click on share from here, and the report will be shared. This functionality is pretty simple. What other benefit that it gives to you is this button, share multiple reports. So you can select reports that you want to share. You can add a filter condition to filter your reports and then select those reports. But here I'm just selecting these like 20 reports from here. Click on share, and if I say, hey, share with the ITIL admin role here, click on share, and all those reports are shared at once with the selected roles, groups, or users. So you can again select as many records as you want here. Right. So this was one nice feature. It was available in the earlier release as well, the first release as well. Now let's go to this manage dashboards tab. You will see here this set default button over here, right? So this is a new feature that I've introduced here. So on launch, if you want to set this tab as default, right, you can just click on this button, and the next time you will launch this workspace, so this manage dashboard will open by default, not manage report once. Let's load it and see it in action. Yeah, so it switched to manage dashboards. Yeah, and if you go to manage reports, now this button is available here. So whatever you want to set as default tab, you can set from here. Again, the same kind of such functionality is here for dashboards as well. Now the nice things, new things that I have given here is specifically for the sharing the permissions of the dashboard. So this is just to open the dashboard if you want to view the dashboard, and the other button opens the dashboard properties. The most useful things are here. For example, now this telemetry table growth is not shared with anyone, right? If I want to say, hey, share this with the ITIL role, right? And I say, can edit, access, share reports as well. Now, earlier, traditionally, if you are sharing a dashboard, then you have to go to each report separately, right, and share it with the that particular user group or role. Now you can just select this radio button; it will cascade that permissions to the reports as well. Now you see, so all the reports which are there on this dashboard, those are also shared with this role. Now let's add some more users here. Maybe let's add able tutor, right? Can edit access maybe again. Let's share with it. This user, two reports are shared, right? Now what you want to do is, so if you want to remove these permissions now, right? So in previous version, you could only remove the a single permission, that too like from dashboard only. But now you can select the permissions here, and you can choose if you want to remove the permission from dashboard and reports as well. So you have this option now. Once you click on confirm remove, so the permission will be removed from dashboard also as well as from report. So this is really helpful when you are working with a dashboard which has a lot of reports on it. So this will be really helpful in that case. Now another thing that it was already there, but I have improved it a bit, which is logging. So if you click on all and go to this menu, dashboard and reports manager. Sorry, not this one. Yeah, here, dashboards and report manager. So dashboards and reports manager. So this is the menu. Here you will see a log, and you can set the logging verbosity as well. So in this logs, you will see all the actions that you are doing based on the log verbosity that you have set there. So in case you face any errors, you see here you shared the reports, but those permissions were not cascaded, or the report was not shared properly. You can always check here and debug. So nice debug options are here. You can see what is the script include it is coming from, and then what is the function it is coming from, and all the logging message from here. And on UI builder side, whenever you are working on this reports and dashboard manager workspace, if there are any errors here, um, in UI builder configuration, so I have added logging there as well. So you will see all those errors on console. So that is another function that you can use here, right? Yeah, so that was all. I hope you enjoy this workspace. Try it out in your personal instances, maybe, and just leave your comments in the community article. I've leave the link below in the description, and the link to download this workspace as well in the description. Do let me know your thoughts on this one. Thank you.